Hello everyone. Even though it's only October, the Black Friday deals are already on across the stores. I find a wireless headphone deal in Target. This is the JBL Tune 510BT wireless headphones. It's only $29.99, so I got one. I want to have a review of this headphone in this video. Two features of this headphone get me interested. First, it has the bass sound quality. It's kind of rare to find the bass sound quality in a headphone with only $30. So I thought this might be a good deal. Second, I like the smaller size of the ear covers. I don't like the full-size covers because if you wear full-size covers, your ears will feel very hot. It makes me feel like wearing two little ovens on your ears. This is called hot ear syndrome. I don't like the full-size cover. That's why I was looking for a headphone with a smaller cover. And this one has smaller covers. This is the second reason I bought this headphone. So let's take a look at what's inside of the box. You have some user manuals and other brochures about this headphone. You don't need this. And this is the product. This is the charging cable. Of course, this is a wireless headphone. Very nice packaging. And this is the headphone. Looks like the interface is very easy to use. We only have one button, which is a little surprise to me. It's a good surprise. I don't like a lot of buttons on a headphone. Oh, we have another volume button, volume up and volume down button here. Volume up, and then this is volume down. And then this is the power on and off button over here. If you press and hold for 3 seconds, the headphone will be turned on. You see, this appearing light is flashing blue lights. It's ready to appear. Let me go back to my computer to turn on the peering function. Add a Bluetooth device, and then add a Bluetooth device, and then add Bluetooth device. It's here. You click JBL Tune 510BT. Click here. It's connecting. Your device is ready to go. It's so easy to use. Click down. Your device is ready to go. Let's have a sound quality test. I created a promotion video for my YouTube channel last week, and I used this video to test the sound quality of Skull Candy earbuds I bought last week. To be fair, I will use the same video to test the sound quality of the JBL headphones. Let's play the video. What can I say? I'm impressed. The bass sound quality is good, and I especially like the stereo sound of this headphone. Sometimes you will hear sound in your left ear, and then the sound will gradually transition to your right ear. It doesn't mean your headphone is broken. It's just the stereo quality is very good. I didn't expect such level of quality in a $30 headphone. So I will give this headphone a 5-star. Very good. Very good deal. Good job, Target. You help customer to find a good deal. A little fun fact, JBL is owned by a company called Harman Industry. If you look at the history of Harman Industry, it's actually owned by Samsung. So JBL is a brand from Samsung. Now I understand. It's okay to be impressed because both JBL and Samsung are good brands. At $30, that's a good deal. Now I want to talk about the AirPods 3 Apple just introduced yesterday. This is the Apple website. Compared to this headphone, I think one weakness of AirPods 3 is battery life. According to Apple, AirPods 3 only provides a total of 30-hour listening time. Let's take a look at the JBL headphone. The box says you can have a total of 40-hour listening time. This headphone also has a fast charging feature. When you charge this headphone for 5 minutes, you can listen to music for 2 hours. So battery life alone, this headphone wins. AirPods 3, the cheapest AirPods 3 will be $129, and this headphone only costs $30. So that's why I think it's a good deal, a very good budget headphone. I bought this from Target. Target offers two options, color options. One is the blue color, another one is the black color. I wanted to buy the black color because it looks very cool, very tough. It has the tough feeling. But the inner me told me that you already got a lot of black color electronic devices. Why not try something new? That's why eventually I bought the blue color. But when you really get this blue color, I like the black color option more. If you want to choose between the colors, I would recommend you to choose the black color. This blue color looks very stylish, but it's not as I expected. I still like the headphone, but I would choose the black color option. One last thing I want to mention about this headphone is how to pick up phone calls. You can connect this headphone with your smartphone. When you listen to the music with this headphone, if someone calls you, you simply press this on and off button once, and then you can talk to the person. If you want to hang up, just press this on and off button again, you can hang up the phone call. It's really easy to use. I feel that even though it's a budget headphone, the interface is very easy to use, the sound quality is good. At this price point, I highly recommend this headphone to everyone. Good deal.